Hello, and welcome to our presentation. Today we're going to be talking about sickle cell anemia. To start, sickle cell anemia was discovered in 1910 when Walter Clement Noel complained to his doctor about pain and anemia. Since then, sickle cell anemia has become one of the most common genetic disorders around, affecting famous people such as Tiki Barber, Miles Davis, dealer safety Ryan Clark, and surprisingly none of Mr. Allen's friends. The disease is most common in Africa, Spain, Southeast Asia, and the Mediterranean area. A good aspect of the disease is that those who are afflicted also have a resistance to malaria. Sickle cell anemia is caused by a single nucleotide mutation on the P section of the 11th chromosome. This gene gets expressed, creating a different protein. Since a different nucleotide codes for an amino acid with different polarity, the structure of the hemoglobin molecule changes, causing the red blood cells to take on a different shape. The mutant hemoglobin clumps up and, with different bonds between the molecules, the new cells have a sickle shape. Red blood cells then get stuck due to the shape and create a clot that can cause discomfort or pain. Sickle cells also can carry less oxygen than normal cells. Symptoms of sickle cell anemia include pain in the joints and chest, dizziness, fatigue, and inability to produce normal urine. Other common side effects of this disease are discoloration of skin or eyes, shortness of breath, delayed development, inflammation of the fingers and toes, and an abnormal breakdown of red blood cells. Sickle cell anemia is an autosomal disease, and the gene for the disease is located on the 11th chromosome. The disease follows recessive inheritance, which means that an individual is only affected when he or she has both recessive alleles. Thus, both parents have to at least be carriers of the trait for a child to have it. If both parents are carriers, like in this situation, each child has a 50% chance of carrying the trait, a 25% chance of being unaffected, and a 25% chance of being affected by and expressing the trait. If only one parent is affected, then there is a 50% chance of a child being a carrier and a 25% chance of the child being affected. If both parents are affected, all children will be affected. Around 100,000 people in the U.S. have the trait for sickle cell anemia, and roughly 2 million people carry it. Sickle cell anemia is a widespread disease, but it can be easily treated with proper medications and blood transfusions. Thanks for watching.